In this video, I will show you how to add the Affiliate X product table block. You can see all of your affiliate products along with their image, name, description, purchase link, and affiliate link using the Affiliate X product table block. Using this feature, your visitors can browse all your affiliate products at a glance. Let's switch to our dashboard and we will recreate one of the product table blocks that you are seeing on the screen right now on our demo page. From your dashboard, select the post or page where you want to add the product table block. I want to add the block to one of the posts, so I will go to Posts and click on All Posts. Select the blog post where you want to add the product table block. I'm going to select this blog post, so I'm going to open it in the new tab. And I'm also going to open this post in the new tab on our site so that we will be able to see the differences at the end. Let's go back to our blog post. To add the Affiliate X product table block, click on Add icon. Look out for Affiliate X product table. Here it is. Now click on it. And here is the product table block. And here are the customization settings. Before we dive into the settings on the right hand side, let's add some content first. Let's add our image first. So click on Upload Image. Then select the image of your choice. Click on Select. Then let's add in the product name. Now, let's add in the product features. Next is the ribbon label. If you wish to add in a different label, then you can remove the label that is already here, then add in the label of your choice. So instead of our pick, if you want to add in some other label like featured, then you have to remove the label that is already here. Then you can type in the label of your choice. You can also edit the rating from here. So instead of 5, if you want to add in 9.6, 9.5 or some other rating, then you can do that. Then, when you hover your cursor around the buttons, here you can add the URL that will be linked to the button. For now, I'm going to add the link to our site, Craft Plugins. We highly recommend you to enable these two options if you are redirecting to an affiliate link. Now, following the same process, you can add the URL to your secondary button here. Then you can also enable both of these options. To add another product, you have to click on the Add icon here. Then following the same process, you can keep on adding more products. If you wish to sort the products that you have added, then you can also do that. For example, if you wish to move this product up, then you can click on the arrow icon. The same option is also available for all of the other products that you have added. Now, let's dive into the settings. The first is the layout settings. Here, you can select the layout for your product table. You can select from layout number 1, which is the chosen layout now. You can select layout number 2, or you can select the layout number 3. Let's go with the default layout, that is the layout number 1. Under General Settings, you can disable or enable the image. You can disable or enable the ribbon. You can also disable or enable the product name. Then you can also disable or enable the product ratings. Similarly, you can also enable the price. Then you can set the price from here. You can add in the marked price as well as the discounted price here. You can do the same with all of the products that you have added. For now, I'm going to disable the price. Then you can also disable or enable the counters. You can also add in the box shadow. You simply have to click here. Then you have to enable the option first, which allows you to select a color. After selecting the color, you can click on Adjust, which will reveal further settings. You can adjust these settings, which will then add a shadow to your box. I'm going to disable this option for now. Under Content Settings, you can select the content type as list, or you can select the paragraph. If you select paragraph, you will be able to add your content in paragraph. Let's select list. You can select the list type as unordered or ordered. If you choose to go with unordered list, you can select from the list of available icons here. So instead of the default icon, if you wish to go for some other icon, like the simple check mark for example, then you can select it, which will then be instantly applied to your product list. Next is the primary button settings. With the help of this option, you can either disable or you can enable the primary button. You can disable or enable the icon that is added here. You can also select from the list of icons available here for your primary button. Let's stick with the default icon. Then you can also select the icon alignment from left to right. Then with the help of padding and margin option, you will be able to add padding and margin to your primary button. Next is the secondary button settings. Again, with the help of this option, you will be able to disable or enable the secondary button. You will be able to select the icon from the list of available icons. You will be able to select the icon alignment as well as set the padding and margin for your secondary button. The secondary button settings are the same as the primary button settings. The only difference is that while the primary button settings work for the first button, the secondary button settings work for the second button. Next is the border settings. With the help of the border settings, you will be able to add border to your product table. Select the type of border you want to add, then from here you can select the color. You can also set the border width. You can add a specific value, let's add 3 for example. Then you can click on the lock icon, which will apply the same value across all directions. If you wish to reset the border settings, then you can click on the reset icon. Similarly, you can also set the border radius. Next is the colors. With the help of the color options, you will be able to change and adjust the colors of various components of your product table. Like for example, you can select the ribbon color. Click here, then you can select a darker red color for your ribbon. Similarly, for your counter color, you can select a darker green color. I think this looks fine. Then following the same process, you can select different color and adjust them accordingly as per your requirement. You can also select the background type from solid color to gradient. If you select solid color, you can set the background color from here. So let's change the background color a little bit. Click here. Let's select a bluish gray color from here. Just a slight contrast to the white background. I think this looks fine. Let's go with this color. If you have any confusions with the color settings, please do let me know in the comment section below, or you can directly reach out to our support team. The rest of the color looks fine to me, so I will not change it. Next is the typography. The typography option allows you to adjust the typography settings for various components of your product table. You will be able to select the font family, you will be able to select from the list of available options. You can select the font style, as well as set the font size, line height, letter spacing, and apply various styling options. So this is the ribbon typography. We can increase the font size of our ribbon a little bit. So let's go with a slightly higher size. Maybe we can go with 15. This looks fine. Next, let's also increase the font size of the table header. So let's go to table header typography, click here. Then we will increase the size a little bit. Let's set it as 21 is fine, I think. This looks fine now. The content typography looks fine, I will not change it. So this is how you can change the typography. Again, if you have any confusions regarding it, do let me know in the comment section below. Then we have spacing. With the help of the spacing option, you will be able to add margin and padding to your product table across different devices. After you are done, click on Update. Now let's go back to the blog post that we had opened earlier at the beginning of our tutorial. Give it a refresh. And here is our product table. If you have any question or confusions, do let me know in the comment section below, or you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next video.